day comes with new thoughts and new opportunities. Hello everyone, wishing you all a very good afternoon filled with relaxation. I'm Manasa.
Babu. Amareshwar. Kalyan.
Yakub Pasha.
Sarthika from SRN BGNR Arts and Science College, Autonomous, Khammam.
We are here presenting our project under the guidance of Srinivas sir and Usha Pawni ma'am.
It's a great opportunity for us to provide life for our thoughts and ideas.
What we mean is to implement them, to put them in action.
Today we are here to be the helping hand by creating departmental website. We came forward with the title Web Development, Process Making of Departmental Website. Present days, works are going on in computer systems. All the official works are carrying on in different systems. Students and faculty, when want to access the data, they have to search for various resources. In this study project, we are going to create a departmental website, which is a centralized platform in which all various resources data is placed in a single source. Currently, our college is having website, but it is difficult to access all the particular activities happening in various departments. As data is scattered in different systems, it is difficult for the students and faculty to access the data. We are creating this website for Computer Science and Applications Department. Aims and objectives. Organizations in education industry need to have responsive departmental website as it is the first point of contact for students as well as for faculty. Thus, a custom web design can improve overall image and reputation of the institute, which in increases the admissions. Students and parents expect department to have web presence nowadays. An updated, informative and well-designed website make any institute gain credibility. Increased interaction with faculty and students can only be possible with a custom web design website. Over to Kalyan.
Scope. We can enhance the overall experience of learning for the students with a web portal. Learning the desired courses is easy because they can choose it. From the website, they can know the details of every course and future of each course. Students can free to choose whom they want to study with the availability of information in the website. And frequently, students can involve their friends, families while using the website. Students can improve their skills also, and students sufficiently encouraged to choose their content, internet through website. Now, hardware and software requirements. This application can run on system with minimum configuration such as P4 processor, 1 GB RAM, 40 GB hard disk with Windows operating system and Visual Code as hardware and software specification. Over to Abhiram.
Research methodologies. Nowadays, the need for department is to have a reliable, effective, and attractive web presence is increasing. As online technology is becoming an important part in the educational process, websites plays an important role in the development of the institutes. While the departmental websites have a lot of role to fill, they often need to include range of information which is easy to explore. The main purpose of this research is to show the importance of the departmental websites, where we have conducted a survey to evaluate the usability of websites. These are the images regarding the survey. We have conducted 4 types of survey: online survey, telephonic survey, face-to-face survey, paper survey. We came to know that the usability of website is easy and effective. This project will be helpful for higher authorities and the students to analyze the usability of website and its uses. Over to Mansa.
Analysis of data. We conducted the survey for 50 faculty members and 100 students, and results are in this way. 90% of them supported us and 10% of them denied us. Here 1 represents 90%, the people who supported us, and 2 represents 10%, people who denied us. They denied us because they are unaware of social websites. Over to Yakub.
I am here to tell about modules. In modules there are 8 sections: login, programs, faculty, activities, research corner, e-notes, student and news bulletin. First module, login. To access the web page in login module, we have to give username, password to log in the web page. The second module is programs. In program, there are 4 sections: corners, courses, syllabus, timetable and strength details. The third module is about faculty. In faculty, there are the 2 sections: profiles of the faculty and extension lecture attendance. Fourth module is activities. In activities, there are the 9 sections: certificational courses, online courses, workshops, studies projects, Jignasa study project, remedial classes, bridge courses, group discussion and field projects. The next module is research corner. In research corner, there are the three parts: research studies, publications and journals. The next module is e-notes. In e-notes, there are the three sections: e-library of the department, lecture notes, and lab manuals. The seventh module is student. In student, in the module of student, the tech hub is present. Technology is developed by our students. The last module is news bulletin. In the news bulletin module, activities are covered in month and updated periodically. Over to Bob.
Benefits. Here students can know about the programs and students can know about the faculty and interact with them. And students can download their course materials easily with free of cost. And research projects will help to students to do new inventions. Over to Satvik.
Findings. Website and social media will likely be our only means of developing awareness. The importance of website awareness lies in the very first step in the marketing funnel, and it is the very foundation that will ultimately lead the student acquisition. Students can recall and recognize our website if they are aware of it. Departmental website helps keep our institute top of mind with our students. Faculty can become more familiar with and comfortable with our students if they go through the website. At the end, let me introduce our web page. This is our web page we created for Department of Computer Science and Applications by using Visual Studio Code. Through this we can access all the data we need by using different modules like activities, research corner, etc. as my friend already introduced. Online presence for educational institute never goes old. When countries are at different phases, just like pandemic, many educational institutes are affected by the closures. This is the point where we started adopting online education. This is only possible with departmental website as we can't store all data into college website. As our website consists of e-library, with this you can learn new things and master your brain with new skills. Hoping our small effort of creation helps you. Here we conclude our project with IT plus IT is equal to IT.
India today.
Plus Infotech equal to India tomorrow.
India.
Thank you.